Welcome to this Salesforce Play-by-Play with Pluralsight. Salesforce Play-by-Play is an interactive series where we sit down with Salesforce experts, such as MVPs, consultants, developers, and architects, to discuss common challenges faced every day by Salesforce customers. We'll be learning while discussing concepts and debating trade-offs on various approaches to solving real-world problems. We learn by reviewing system configurations or writing code, and then exploring the benefits of any particular solution. In this course, we challenged Robert Watson, Senior Software Developer at Full Circle Insights, to help us understand the many options that Salesforce developers have when choosing their IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. Robert walks us through some of the many options available, and we discuss some trade-offs along with pros and cons of each, using a real-world team development scenario. As we progress, he demonstrates some common development tasks using several different IDEs, from the perspective of multiple team members, each with their own development style and needs. Along the way, we learn about how each of these IDEs would support working with an org's metadata and codebase stored in a source control repository. And by the time we're done, you'll have a clear understanding of what your options are and why you might choose one IDE over any other, based on your own specific needs. Whether you focus your development on Apex, Visualforce, or Lightning components, come learn about your choices when selecting from available Salesforce IDEs. Please join us for the Battle of the Salesforce IDEs. We hope you enjoy it.